SGVC Vidya Prasaraka Trust, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Mudebial, Karnataka State, IQVC Initiative, Department of Botany, organizes one-day international webinar on responsible citizens in restoring ecosystems in the drylands on 31st 7 2021 Saturday at 11 a.m. This international webinar is inaugurated by Sri Ashok S. Tarsad, Secretary, SGVC Vidya Prasaraka Trust, Mudebial. Keynote address by Professor A.B. Kulkarni, former Principal and Administrator, MGVC College, Mudebial. Resource person of this webinar, Dr. Chandrasekhar Biradar, scientist in Egypt. The topic, responsible citizens in the restoring ecosystems in the drylands. Great donor Matosri Gangama Virappa Chiniwar. We are ever grateful to late Matosri Gangama Virappa Chiniwar. Our management, Parama Pujya Gurumanta Swamiji Chittargi Samsthan Matilkal, Trustee, Dr. Satish S. Jigzini, MD, former Vice Chancellor, BLD Deemed University, Vijaypur, and Chairman of the SGVC VP Trust, Mudebial. Sri Ashok S. Tarsad, Secretary of the SGVC VP Trust and Chairman of the College Governing Body. Srimati Jayalakshmi Sanket Bagli, Trustee, Vijaypur. Principal, Professor S.N. Puleshi. Administrator, Professor A.B. Kulkarni. IQVC Coordinator, Dr. B.A. Goli. NAC Coordinator, Professor S.V. Gurmat. Convener, Professor B.N. Chaudapur. Organizing Secretary, D.S. Talikoti. Professor M.C. Caddy, Technical Advisor. This is our college biodiversity. This is the front view. Ecosystem restoration, ecosystem and their biodiversity underpin economic growth, sustainable development and human well-being. And the loss of biodiversity continues, resulting in serious reduction in ecosystem, goods and services, negatively impacting economic prosperity and environmental sustainability. Restored, repairing and replanting wetlands, creek beds, forest lands and other habitats, eradicating invasive species, replacing turf grass with native species, planting rain gardens and absorb rainwater. Ecosystem restoration seeks to repair some of the damage done to ecosystems and biodiversity. It assists the recovery of degraded, damaged, and destroyed ecosystems to regain ecological functioning and provide goods and services of valuable humans. Our college campus have a well biodiversity. Today's international webinar resource person Dr. Chandrasekhar Biradar is an eminent scientist, is a principal agroecosystems scientist and research team leader, digital augmentation for sustainable agroecosystems, and he is also head of geoinformatics unit at CGIAR Research Center. His core expertise focuses on frontier technologies for accelerating sustainable diets and agro ecosystems. He is an eminent scientist, and this is the way to Department of Botany. Please join this international webinar. Thank you one and all.